But you
Raining.
did fall in love and get married, didn't you?
Yes, I did. But it was, but my marriage, that was a different thing. My mother got sick.
हाँ.
और I
ये
shifted to
मुझे
Dubai.
पूछना है, ये मुझे बहुत ज़रूरी पूछना है
पूछे.
कि ये मेरे दिमाग में रहा कि मुझे पता चला कि तुम्हारी मामा की तबीयत ठीक नहीं है. मुझे उससे पहले पता चला तुम्हारी शादी हो रही है. उससे पहले मुझे पता चला दैट यू न्यू समबडी और आप उससे बहुत मोहब्बत करते हो और बहुत अरसे से करते हो, और फिर पता चला उसी से शादी हो रही है. फिर पता चला योर मदर इज़ नॉट वेल, आप दुबई में हो और आप आ रहे हो जा रहे हो. फिर मुझे पता चला कि आपकी शादी नहीं है. मगर ये क्यों, आप ये सब कुछ साथ साथ क्यों नहीं? शादी तो होती इसीलिए क्योंकि साथी चाहिए होता है.
हाँ बिल्कुल.
मगर ये मुझे प्लीज़ बताओ, ये किस तरह के योर मदर गॉट इल एंड यू हैड टू लीव योर हस्बैंड, क्यों?
Because I wasn't in the frame of mind कि मैं बैलेंस करूँ रखूँ. And it's
but-
amazing कि
मगर-
इतना जिस
मगर
इंसान
अम्मी
को
ने
इतना
तो-
बैलेंस
हाँ,
आता है
यही तो सिखाया था.
At the end I chose to not make sacrifices. मुझे sacrifices नहीं देनी थी. I couldn't. I think my mother's illness and the fear कि वो शायद ना रहेंगी, तो मैं दुबई में बिल्कुल भी नहीं रह सकती थी. दुबई में मैं क्या करती थी, ये करती थी, कुछ कर लिया, बैठी रही कि कब आएंगे घर, बोर हो रही हूँ मैं. कराची में I've got so much to do and I felt that would stress him out a bit or be unfair. But I mean, obviously all these to him are excuses. उनको तो वो कहते हैं यार कुछ भी हो सकता था.
नहीं, मुझे खुद पता करना है कि ये क्या मोमेंट था सनम की ज़िंदगी में कि इतना बड़ा डिसीजन लिया. क्योंकि ठीक है, माँ का काम की केयर गिवर थे आप, बड़ी बेटी थे, आपको वहाँ होना था, बिल्कुल होना था.
मुझे
लेकिन जब आप
किसी और को अपना वक्त नहीं देना था.
मगर जान, अगर किसी से प्यार करते हैं उसको ये समझना होता है कि इस वक्त
नहीं, वो तो सब समझते थे, बट मुझे अपना कोई भी हिस्सा किसी और को भी नहीं देना था, सारा इस तरफ देना था. तो आई जस्ट फेल्ट कि फॉर हिम इट्स अ सिली थिंग बिकॉज ऑब्वियसली ही सेज मतलब इट्स रिडिकुलस, आई डोंट नीड एनीवन बट यू. बट मेरा था कि यूड बी बेटर ऑफ विद समवन हु कैन लिव देयर and give you all the time and maybe not be so consumed by her career or her family, and who can just give you more time than I can, because I can't give that kind of time and dedication that a marriage requires or that an individual requires.
Now this is a big decision.
It is a big decision, but
तो अब उस वक्त जब अम्मी बीमार हैं, that's trauma. अपनी माँ को देखो बीमार, जिसको इतना चाहो, जिसको इतना प्यार करो, जिसने इतना कुछ सिखाया, और फिर उसी वक्त आप डिवोर्स भी ले रहे हो. How did you handle all this? You know, I marvel it. I'm not joking. I've been sitting and looking at you and, you know, meeting you. But I've been thinking about it कि ये सनम ने ये एक वक्त में इतना सर पे क्यों ले लिया, इतना बोझ, और फिर उसको
मेरे लिए वो एक हल्के होने की बात थी कि I'm not being able to be a dedicated, responsible, focused, doting wife, and I want to do that, but I just was like I can't, my life cannot be split. I thought कि बस अब मैं एक्टिंग को थोड़ा सा साइड पे कर दूंगी और मैं अपनी टीचिंग पे ज़्यादा तवज्जो दूंगी और मैं घर पे खाने बनाऊंगी और मैं बीवी बनूंगी और मैं बच्चे पैदा करूंगी और हम दुबई में पिकेट फेंस विद द डॉग लाइफ जिएंगे. But I just snapped one day and I said, what am I thinking? That's not me. That's this ideal and this age and this time and everyone around me is doing that, and I'm a water sign. Well, I'm an Aquarian but an air sign, so I'm fluid. I flow. Whatever my situation is, जो भी surrounding है, लोग हैं, मैं adapt कर लेती हूँ. तो I think उसमें I got caught up कि एक दुबई लाइफ में मैं adapt हो गई थी. बिल्कुल I fit in and flowing in and out. काम एक दो आता था तो मैं आ जाती थी, काम करके वापस दुबई चली जाती थी. But that wasn't me. And I just felt कि he deserved a lot more attention, a lot less stress from me, because it's not fair. मैंने बहुत देखा है, मियाँ बीवी को साथ होना चाहिए, अलग अलग अगर रहेंगे तो it affects the relationship. Maybe after 10-12 साल साथ रहने का, फिर आप बच्चे शच्चे पैदा करके बड़े करके फिर आप अलग अलग अपना, you know, you're going back to yourself, and you know, the husband and wife travel a lot or live apart or जो भी. But शुरू के दिन में, at least the first few years, you must give that time.
So
that must be your priority.
You were honest.
Yes.
Yes.
Totally honest
बिल्कुल
and
सही,
big
ये ना-
step, but I
that's
was.
what you are.
But
you
it
are
was.
a very honest human being.
But there was no fear.
You're true to yourself. You know what that
Yes.
is?
Yeah.
कि आप झूठ नहीं बोल सकते, pretend नहीं कर सकते. हाँ? Am I right?
Yes, yes. I couldn't. But hurting someone is also the biggest. किसी का दिल तोड़ना for me, because I know how it feels. It's just too tragic. But ये करना ज़रूरी था मेरे लिए. और ऐसी कोई बात नहीं falling out कि नहीं ये वो. It was just a silly decision. मेरी गलती कि मैंने किसी को इतना उस तरह का. I put somebody else through that. I should have decided faster instead of getting caught up in the हाँ शादी and बच्चे and Dubai and घर and teaching. No, no, no. I worked my whole life since I was 16 साल की थी मैं काम कर रही हूँ. उसकी मुझे आदत है. ट्रैवल करने की आदत है. लोगों में उठना बैठना, men, women, and you know how artists are. There's a different kind of rapport that you have. Especially in theatre, you know, you got warm-up exercises. You have to trust. एक game होता है where somebody stands behind you like this, and you're standing tall, and you have to let go, and you have to rely on your colleague to catch you. It could be a male, it could be a female, whatever, but everyone's teamed, you know, you've got holding hands, you're making circles, you're doing concentration games, you're dancing, you're doing flips, you're being caught, you know, so there is obviously, not to take any credit or merit or respect or the man's side away from them, but it's hard. It's hard to be married to an actor, I think, for a man and a woman. I think it's very hard to not be in the business.
But I think शादी भी यही चीज़ है कि आप अपने आप को छोड़ेंगे और कोई होगा जो आपको कैच कर लेगा, और वो दोनों साइड से होता है.
बिल्कुल.
सिर्फ औरत का नहीं होता काम कि वही कैच करेगी सिर्फ.
नहीं बिल्कुल.
मर्द का भी है. रिलेशनशिप बनते ही इसी तरह है कि अगर वक्त आएगा.
But what I'm saying is that it's hard to for somebody who's not from the industry maybe to trust someone from the industry like that. I always thought it would work, you know, being married to a banker or a lawyer or a doctor. But it's very, and this is why you see it in Hollywood, in Bollywood, whatever. You marry your own kind almost, or then you meet someone from outside and then you leave this a little bit. You know, it becomes your secondary focus, not your primary focus. Your marriage becomes your primary focus. So for me, it was unable to become the primary focus because then my mother at the same time got ill. And I said, I have to work because I want to be financially not reliable on anyone, not on my father, not on my grandmother, not on my mamus, no one. I want to be able to do whatever treatment it takes, travel wherever in the world to show her the world. If she wants to travel, if she has any last minute wishes or whatever, I want to be able to do that. And sitting in Dubai moving furniture is not going to make it happen. I've got to work. And when you get into that mode, it's like, for right now, my mother's important, my job is important, my family is important. My poor husband is not important to me right now, and that's unfair. He's got to be with someone who makes him feel important.
ठीक है.
And as much as he would say, no, of course, you are the most important thing, but I just felt, and he will still think that. But for me, it felt like the right thing and the necessary thing to do for me. I didn't want to regret it 10 years later and be like, what am I doing with these children and teaching and just a housewife? I don't want nothing.
Astine role ki and there you were with your mother. You said, this is it.
Yeah.